Good morning. I wanted to go over like a start to finish video of me creating my first pocket sized journal. And I've already started on it, but I wanted to come back and do the video to show you all like a start to finish version of me doing this pocket sized journal. So, in a previous video, I said that I always go and do research on the journals on whatever I want to do before I actually do it. I'm not using any Chrome extensions, but there are some Chrome extensions that are out there. I'm gonna say this up front. It's no journal like that I was looking for on this front page, so I had to go down some. And this looked like a KDP journal, but this is not like what I was looking for at all. But as you can tell, there are pocket sized journals out here. And this would be a good one right here. This one is like newly published and it's already in the searches. It was published less than a month ago. Amazon KDP, they now offer this it's called A Plus Content, where you can publish pictures of what's inside the book, like on the description page. The old version of it allowed people to. Let me show you how the old version was. You would be able to look inside the book. Let me see, can I find some older ones? Like the older version of it of Amazon KDP allows you to look inside the book where your customer could kind of see what was inside the book like this. But so this is why I always say like I'm looking for books that was published newer, I mean more recently than like a year ago or a couple of months ago, because they've changed the rules on Amazon KDP, so this feature is no longer even possible. But let's go back to the book. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start a new page and start over. And like I said, I just want to do a pocket sized journal. This one would be just a pocket sized journal with lines. And I'm gonna do some more. I have some more ideas in mind that I'm gonna do also. And I wanted to kind of change things up with this one with my lines. Instead of just having the straight lines going all the way to the ink right here, I want the lines to stop right here because the book is going to be small. So, like as far as folding it, I want a person to be able to write on the whole line and not have the line go all the way to the end with the bleed on this one. I'm going to do one with the bleed, but this one won't have it. Okay. Let me take this off. And I'm going to leave this page like this for now. I'm going to duplicate it, and these lines on this page, I'm going to bring them all the way up. I'll show you why in a minute. Oh, no. I'm not going to bring them up that far. I did it like that because I'm trying to see which one I like the best for this. I think I like this one better because I can do this and add a date session right here. I like that one. And I like these flowers, so I'm going to add them, and they're going to kind of look like this. But I think this is the one I'm going to go with, so I'm going to delete all of the rest of them. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to delete all of this. I don't need that. I want to lock that for now. Okay. How do I unlock it? Oh, I want to make that flower lighter so that a person can write on the whole page. 15 is pretty neat. I'm going to make this a 100-page journal. Do that. And I'm going to try to get like 5 different flowers. right. And we're going to just duplicate this until we get to 100 pages. And this will be my first pocket size journal. I'm using a free version of Canva to create this. And if anyone wants to create a journal like this or similar to this, I'm going to leave the link for Canva in the description box. That link would let you try Canva Pro for 30 days for free. And after the 30 days, if you like the Canva Pro, it's $12.99 a month. And personally, I've tried Canva Pro before. I really do like Canva Pro, but as you can see, I can do pretty much the same thing. I can still create my journals. I can still create my Etsy products with the free version of Canva. I may go back to Canva Pro, but because it does make things easier. I will admit that. But as you can tell, I was able to create this on the free version. Thanks for watching.